gusto ko lang pong i-congratulate si Joshua Passion for placing first in the recent Mandaluyong City Journalism Contest. At siya po ay among all high schools in Mandaluyong City. Congratulations! Yan! Asan siya? Where na you? Ayan, okay. Congratulations, proud talaga yung ama, no? Okay, at siyempre gusto ko lang i-acknowledge ang presidente ng Rotary Club of Intramuros. Let's all welcome Ayet Garcia, si architect. Ayan. Okay, bago natin, tita, alam ko excited ka sa pag-aasawa ni Mami D. Yung kanina, di ba, nabanggit mo? Pero itong katabi ko, hindi naman kasing edad ni Mami dito. Ayan. Ibigay mo na. Ibigay na natin.
Sige.
Ayan, let's all welcome ang co-host po ng ating gwapong si Sir Eloy Padua at Danny Atienza, Miss G. Sharma. Ayan.
Good morning, viewers. Good morning, viewers, and everyone here at Celebrity Hour this morning. Thank you, Sir Eloy, Sir Danny, Ma'am Emmy, Ma'am Julie. Thank you so much. And I'd like to invite you all to view Cheese Max that airs every Friday, 6 p.m. with replays on Saturday at 9 a.m. Host ako dyan with Sir Eloy.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes. And yes, stay tuned. I will be singing in a bit. Maya-maya.
Okay, tita. Go.
Okay. Guest natin ngayon si Ayet, si Architect Ayet. Ikaw ay presidente ng inyong Rotary Club, no? Yes. Kasi meron akong tanong tungkol dun sa inyong areas of concern ninyo is tree planting. At nagtanim kayo ng mga puno dito sa Intramuros. Kasi kaya ako nasabi to, I was formerly the president of Soroptimis International. Yes. And one of the areas of concern namin is also on environment. Pero kami, ang tinatak namin is yung mga nearby